In this video, I will be reviewing a new enhancement for the Checkmate 14 2024 release, which is about the new functionality added to the scroll lock key. Origin has added the functionality to the scroll lock key when creating a measurement to show the normal vector at the mouse location. Simply toggle the scroll lock key on and off to activate and deactivate this ability. Let me show you how this is used. I go into a measurement command with the scroll lock key off. The surface gets highlighted as normal. But when I hit the scroll lock key, I can now see the normal vector at the mouse location. This can be very handy when picking the correct surface is very critical. A perfect example is a trim check. In this case, we want to make sure that we get the top surface and not the side surface. The functionality of using the scroll lock key has also been added to the AutoMesh functions at the bottom of the programming browser. Thanks for watching and have a great day.